camera's a little bit wet. Ah! Ah, my umbrella! Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are having an amazing day so far. It's raining outside. I've been inside all day not knowing what the hell to do with the day. And I thought, why not do what I do every day and let's go outside and take a photo. Welcome to Storm Chasers. So what I'm thinking is, I've got this crystal ball and I think it'll look really cool with the rain coming down and hitting the crystal ball and maybe leaving some droplets on there and stuff, so that should be cool. And I'm also using the 70 to 200mm on my camera so we can compress the background a little bit, because right now I'm doing it in my driveway, so the background isn't going to be like the most interesting, so it's just going to compress it and hopefully blur it out and make it look a lot nicer. Hopefully my camera doesn't get wet. Okay, let's make this quick. Let's get in and out. It's so windy. Camera's a little bit wet. Ah! Ah, my umbrella! Ah! So my mum just arrived back from her walk, and as you can see, her umbrella is completely destroyed.
Big umbrella.
Oh my god, the camera is so soaked. Oh my god, the phone is as well. Ah! Get inside! Oh my god. It's so wet. No, the ball's still out there. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. It's soaked. All right. So this was the final photo that we got. So that little shoot that we just did ties into this really good point that I want to share with you guys, and that is to never stop experimenting. There's this really good quote that I believe in, which is, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always have what you've always had. And that works in everyday life, in photography, in filmmaking, just about in every aspect of life. If you don't try new stuff and experiment with new things, you're always gonna get the same result that you've always had. But if you keep shooting the same thing, I believe you will get bored of it, you will get sick of it, so you always just need to keep experimenting with different stuff, whether that's different photography techniques, a different hobby, just try stuff. That's all I wanted to share with you today, guys. Sorry if it's a short video, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.